Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Monroe XO here. Today's video is going to be my updated wanding routine on my newly texlaxed hair. So if y'all want to see how it goes, just keep watching. So I've been wearing my hair like this for about a week now, and it's time to refresh it. Sometimes I forget how long my hair is because I always wear it curly. So it's kind of good to see, the work I've been putting in. First thing you're going to need is a comb just to choose your parting. I find it best when I just do side by side. So I'm going to part straight down the middle and work on one side first. The first product I'm going to be using is Palmer's Coconut Oil Hair Polish Serum. I love this stuff. It is kind of like, a protectant, a serum, give me oil and some shine. Like, I love this stuff. It's great for just touching up your hair, and I use it right before I'm about to wand. So I like to take small sections and just wrap the hair around the wand and twist it until I see fit. Towards the back, I usually kind of start the wanding process only on the end, but as I move my way up my head, I'll bring the curls up further. One and done. Next. Also, you see me here detangling. You gotta detangle. You can't just keep wanding old hair, honey. I like to wait for about maybe 10 to 15 seconds before I let the hair go. We have all seen that video of the girl who holds it on her hair too long. We do not want no problems today, okay? And basically, I'm just going to do this on each side of my head. It's such a simple routine. When I say this takes me about maybe 10 to 15 minutes, if that, girl, wand and go. If you guys want more videos on what I do with my texlaxed hair, please let me know. I'm running out of ideas for y'all. I think I've done almost everything so far. Texlaxed, update texlaxed, curling texlaxed. Maybe I'll do straightening texlaxed next. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want to see. And once I'm done, of course, I want to set it and forget it. I'm going to be using my Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. I use this stuff to lay wigs. I use this stuff to keep my curls all day. This stuff is just bomb. I love it. I'm just going to spray that all over one section and then repeat the exact same thing to the other side. And here is both sides done. I like to lean my head forward and kind of just rake my fingers through my hair until I feel like the curls are nicely broken up, and it gives you kind of just like a subtle wave look. So yeah, that is it for this tutorial, guys. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs it up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.